This video shows you how to mount the stand on Silverbar. Have a Phillips screwdriver ready for this. The stand is intended to sit on the back of the speaker, where it's attached with the 4 screws that come with the speaker. First, place the self-adhesive foam sheets on the stand. Place the smallest one on the vertical arms of the stand. Place them so that they will sit between the speaker and the stand. Now put the large foam plate under the speaker stand. The stand has 4 screw holes that match the 4 threaded holes on the back of the speaker. The stand must be attached here. Unpack the 4 screws and find the Phillips screwdriver. Keep the stand against the back of the speaker. Insert a screw through the stand and into the corresponding threaded hole at the back. Then insert a screw through the diagonal screw hole. Mount the first screw and be aware that it's easier for the screw to find the thread if you first turn it slowly backwards down the thread until you feel a small notch. That way you get the screw in easiest. Do not tighten the first screw. Instead, make sure the second screw is in and then tighten both of them. With all 4 screws installed, the speaker is ready to be connected.